Hi, it's Michael here from the BS Self-Drive Car Hire and GoGo. Thanks for checking in. I'd like to say a thank you for all you people who's asked us questions, and yes, what I should have done was shown you using the product rather than just talking about it. So this is the Top Gun product, and it's the CarPal one I use. Now you've got a choice of two. The other one is about the same price, £69, and has some extra features. And you might say, well, why have I picked this one? Well, because it's always in the sale for just over £30, and you get the first year software free. And to be honest, I don't need the extra features, because remember, I'm not a car dealership where I'm selling cars or repairing them. All I'm actually doing is making sure I've got a clean diagnostic. Now, when you put them in, they'll start off in green. And what you have to remember is, on here, you can have 3 makes of car. Now, if you want to put a 4th on, not model, car, make. If you want to put a 4th on, you just drop one off and put it in. It does take a while, mind, for you to download them. When it's on green like this, it's because we haven't got it set up on the phone. Once we've got it connected to Bluetooth, which you're going to see now, she's going to fire up in blue. So you've got to make sure that you're on Bluetooth and you're connected. So as you can see, she'll go from green to blue, which means that the Bluetooth's connected. And then what we actually do is we select our app, which is CarPal, which I'm going to show you now. Press it. Then see that it's come up with the VIN number, because I've already done it. I confirm the vehicle details, which is just that, and I do an auto scan. Again, confirm the details. Now we have to confirm here, switch the ignition on as the vehicle isn't triggered. So now we're going to start up the car. Ours is a bit different. You've got to press the brake down and then pull that, and then we have to confirm this. So we confirm it. And then what she's going to do now, I press scan and she's going to go through. Now what's very interesting here, what you have to remember is, if the car hasn't been scanned before, it's going to come up with a load of faults. So that what actually happens is, you need to clear off all the old faults and then rescan it. Now what we actually do is, we take a screenshot, and the only reason we do this is so that we can actually show that there was no faults when somebody got the car. Different if I rent you the car, but if you use a car sharing platform like Truro or Hire Car, they'll take money off you. So when you're actually scanning, remember what you've got to do is have the ignition on and have the ignition off because of the steering lock. Now I'm going to show you, which was a screenshot of this where it came up with faults. I then cleared it, and then it's clear again. Now, and we're very happy with this. Remember, the faults will come up and it'll say major or minor, so then you've got no problems. Again, I can't highly recommend it enough. We're going to be putting a link in so you can buy one of these yourself. And yes, at the moment I don't get any money, but I'll probably do it so I get like a kickback. Everything I buy, I tend to buy on Amazon. Thanks once again. Michael signing out. Sponsored by BS Self-Drive Car Hire and GoGo Car Hire. Your local family run business. Proud to serve Heysham, Morecambe and Lancaster.